Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 20 how to send a video via a direct message on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone, the Instagram application itself, and then we can go to the iPhone and then click on Instagram itself. Make sure we are signed into the account, and then go to your profile, go to a video that you wish to send on Instagram via the direct message. Click the send, choose your client, and now go to the DMs to see the video you have sent. And now we can go all the way down to the dock, click on the application grids itself, go to the DMs, and now we see the video that was sent via the direct message. Quit the application grids, go to your Instagram profile, go to the iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.